Okay. Have you ever pour things and it just stuck right here, for example? This is a good trick for you. And it just stuck right there, and see how slowly it drained? If I lift it up, it works. See that? Guess what you can do? All you have to do is just stick a straw in there, like this. And leave it on the side. Pull it up and leave it on the side. Okay, just like that. And watch this. This is an awesome trick. My grandmother taught me this long ago. I know I should have made a video long ago, but see? And it drains as it goes. See? I don't have to worry. See that? Now see how it stops? Because it had no air. So you just stick a straw in there. See? Instead of lifting up, dropping down, lifting up, dropping down, lifting up, dropping down, lifting, you just stick a straw in there. Once it gets to a certain height, you won't be able to do it no more. But because of the straw blocking the air. But you get the idea. How to solve that easily with just a straw. Because you're letting air through here. Okay? And now I'm overflowing this one. But let's try this one. One more. Just to give you something to view, I guess. Stick your straw over here. And then go to town with it. Of course, it'll work better when there's no bubble in there. There's the bubble, but see how it's working now? See? It's all drained. I know they should invent one with a straw on the side, like this. You know? Just a little funnel. Cause see, once I put it in, it works. If I don't, it won't, because air's being trapped. Watch. See? Now watch. If I stop that, see? It's not like let go, see? Cause air being trapped in there. And believe it or not, all you do is just get a straw, and it'll solve your problem. Isn't that crazy? But anyway, a straw. Yes, a straw. Maybe this way would help, right here. That way probably even better. Let's try it. Uh-oh, it's blowing now. Oh my god, look. It's making a bowl. Let's see. Just by simple having a straw, it exchanged the air. So it goes in, it allowed it to go in. But anyway, I hope this I'm gonna have to take a picture afterward, but yeah. Once the straw is clear, because I'm doing bubbles. But if you ever have that problem right there, just stick a straw in. Just like that, because like without a straw, look what happened. Straw hack, I guess. See? You're gonna stand here all day without it. But if you lift it up, but it's gonna be a pain in the butt. You're gonna have to drop, lift up, drop, lift up, or whatever. All you need is a straw. to replace that air. Anyway, I guess I can say that I can call this a straw hack. I guess that's it right there. I'll just take a snapshot of it right there and call it a straw hack, I guess. Anyway, other than that, that's about it. I'll see you in the next video.